So guys, I'm out here, Coil Soil, and 85-acre field, nice area I think, 25 people. There is a big problem though, there are these things here and they are very annoying. So we'll try to get out for a few hours and I'll get to you in the first hole. So we have got our first signal. '60s. It's a mid signal. We'll dig it and we'll see what it is. So it's just there. See this out. Still in there. So we are out, and we're somewhere there. The pinpointer. First signal, scrap. So yeah, it's just a piece of scrap. We'll throw that away. So there's a second signal. Solid 24. Let's see what that is. So I have to get out. And there was a button, as expected. I thought it would be. 24s is button area, and just a button, nothing special about it, don't think. Yep. See you guys in a minute. So it was a 38, but it was a strange signal, and it's a button, still with a loop on the back. Yep. See if that's got any detail. Don't think so. We actually might have some writing on it. I'll clean that and show you. So I've gently brushed it and it is definitely a button, but it has got some kind of design on it. I don't know if you can see that, but it's got something there. I don't know what that is though, so I'll have to clean that up when I get home. But it's got something on it. But yeah, so I just dug, I can't remember, was it 24 again? And it's a button, not silver though. And the loop is just snapped. And I've had a look on the maps, and on the old maps, and apparently where I am right now there's like a river. There used to be a river flowing, so we have to go to the other side of the field, and I think over there was an old Victorian building, so we'll go over there, see if we can get anything. I'll keep you tuned though, and this I don't think has got any detail on it, so yeah, not too old. I'll keep you guys updated. So my dad just found this, looks like a brooch. We've got a few petals on there, flowers, really nice. Little clip on the end. So yeah, it's a really nice find. So literally just a few meters from my dad, he's just there. I've got this, and it looks like some kind of button or little pendant, but it's not silver or anything, just copper I think. But it's nice looking. It's got a little swirl top on it. So that's it. I don't know, but if you do know, please comment Tell me what it is. It's got a bit of stuff inside of it. Don't know what that is. Yeah, it's got a nice little cone shape. So yeah, comment if you know what it is. So I've just come across a signal. 50s, 60s. We'll do a live dig. Still in there. I think I've missed it. We're out. Oh, piece of lead. Yep, just a piece of lead. Tako je bol signál. Tako je gromký oči. So yeah. So I've just found another signal. Solid 56, 58. So we'll dig that and I'll get back to you. I've just dug it out and I've got my pointer out and it's not even on. And I've just seen it and it's right there, if you can see it. And I think we've got our first coin. Or maybe it's a token, it's got a big S on it. Or is that an A? I think that's a big token. It says P8, I think that says. We've got P8 on one side. And on the other side we've got a scratched out R, scratched out P, and then a 2 at the bottom. So I think we've got a token. Nice signal. So yeah, I think that's a farm token. Not too old, but yeah, so it's a nice find. I'll carry on. So I've got this other signal. So 23, but it is a bit scratchy, as you heard. It's a bit weird. So 23, 24. It's right here. We'll dig it. Sounds like it could be silver, but also could be a button. Could be both. Could be a silver button, but we'll see. So 23. So I've dug it out and it's just there, but the signal has changed a little bit, so it's a bit more weird. We'll see. Where is it? Zoom in the hand. It might be this. Nope, there it is. Another button. Excuse my sniffing, I've got a runny nose. So, we do have another button. I'm not going to clean it too much. Yeah. Really nice button. Clean it on that side as well a little bit. So yeah, it's a button. That's it. Not silver, but it is a button. So I've got another signal, and it's a 34. Not budging. It's a really nice signal though. I'm really excited to do this. Just there. And we'll dig this and I'll show you what it is. So I dug it out and a piece of lead, and I think it might be a fired musket shot. By the shape of it, maybe not by the weight of it though. But I can't see anything on it. So I think that's just a fired musket shot. So yeah, see you guys on the next hole. So I've just dug out a signal right there, and it was foil. But here we've got a different type of signal, but it could be foil as well, but it sounds a bit different. So it's a 34, 35. And now it sounds like a 40 after we turn, so it's scratchy. It's risky, but we'll dig it. We'll live dig it. So I think we're out. Let's see with the pinpointer. No, it's still in there. Get the spade. Still in there. Oh, there it is. I think that is just a scrap. I don't know what that could be. But I'll clean it up, I'll get the bush out. That is interesting, so it's like squashed. And it's empty in there, but here I think it's just top, and it used to be something circular. Now I got squashed, so but I don't know. It looks like it could have some age on it, but I'm not sure. So if you know, put in the comments and let me know. It could be a bullet casing, but not sure. So yeah. So guys, I can't even remember what the signal was now. I think it was like a 20, 30 maybe. It was quite deep, and I'm so sad I didn't film this. But I've got some kind of brooch, I think. There's a little hole there. There's 4 there, so there's one more than there. And it looks like here would be like some kind of pin that would go down to there. But yeah, it's some kind of brooch, I think, or buckle maybe. But it looks really nice. It looks quite old as well. Could be Georgian, could be older, could be Victorian. but that's a nice find. So yeah, about 300 years old maybe, something like that. I don't know. But yeah, we'll keep going. So 22s will live dig this. 21, 22. So we're out, but it sounds a bit funky now. We've got worm. And then we've got a piece of lead. I think it's just nothing. Just a piece of lead. So yeah, carry on. So I'm digging out right there a 30-33, and right there literally 30-33 as well, and it was lead, and I didn't want to dig this, but I decided to dig it, and I think we've got coin with a little hole in the top. It's bent a bit there, but I think we've got coin. It's a bit unreadable. I'm gonna have to clean that when I get home. But I don't see anything here. Not a year, not any writing. So yeah. But I think it's a coin, maybe a token of some kind. We're gonna have to clean that, and yeah, clean that at home. So I've just had another signal right here. 3940. Really nice signal, so live dig. It's a bit windy though. And there it is, I think you might be able to see that. I think that's a button. So it's just there somewhere. If we go down, run it up. Yeah, I think that's the button. Yeah, definitely a button. Oh, my nose is getting snotty. You see that? That's a button. Other side. I think it's a button, but it doesn't look like it's got any, like the holes on the button that you have, the 4 holes. So I'm not sure what that could be. So yeah, if you know, please comment, because I'm not sure. That's it. See you guys on the next hole. So guys, I'm just making my way over there. As you can see, there's a Victorian house. I'm not sure how old it is, but on the Victorian maps, it's still on there, so it's quite old. So I'm making my way over there. It's still quite into it, but I'll show you when I get closer to the house. So I've just walked up to the house, just there, and now we have a signal here. $24.25, so we'll dig it and I'll show you. So I have dug it out and it's just a piece of lead. That's it. So yeah. So guys, that's me for today. Got a few things. A brooch, a few buttons, maybe a coin, a few things, so yeah. Decent day. I'll clean the things up when I get home. And I'll put in the video what they were, so you guys will know. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you. Bye.